Hello friends, today we continue with ozonolysis reaction and hydration reaction. Now we are preparing for the preparation of aldehydes and ketone. The preparation of aldehydes and ketone from alkene by ozonolysis reaction. From alkene by ozonolysis reaction. When alkene like ethene is react with ozone O3, it may be written in the form of O, O and O. Ozonolysis takes place. After the ozonolysis, this oxygen is added on alkene in this way to form a like structure. When ethene is react with ozonolysis takes place and ethylene ozonide is obtained. Ethylene ozonide is obtained. Now this ethylene ozonide, whenever heated with zinc dust in water, it decomposes, it breaks down. This oxygen is combined with zinc and given out in the form of zinc oxide, and we get HC double bond OH and HC double bond OH, that is 2 molecule of formaldehyde. In this way we can prepare formaldehyde, that is aldehyde, from alkene by ozonolysis reaction. Ethene react with ozone to form ethylene ozonide. This ethylene ozonide is heated with zinc dust in water to produce formaldehyde. Now we want to prepare acetaldehyde. If we want to prepare acetaldehyde, when butene, that is butene or beta butylene, is react with ozone, ozonolysis takes place and intermediate product is obtained, that is butylene ozonide is obtained. Ozonide is obtained, which heated with zinc dust in water, decomposition takes place, and CH3C double bond OH, CH3C double bond OH, that is 2 molecule of acetaldehyde is obtained. 2 molecule of acetaldehyde is obtained. In this way we can prepare aldehyde from alkene by ozonolysis reaction. Now we continue with hydration reaction. That is the preparation of aldehyde and ketone from alkyne by hydration reaction. From alkyne, preparation of aldehyde and ketone from alkyne by hydration. When acetylene, that is alkyne like acetylene, is react with water molecule in the presence of 40% H2SO4 and 1% HgSO4, hydration takes place, that is addition takes place. This hydrogen is added to this carbon and this OH group is added to other carbon across the multiple bond, that is triple bond, and we get H C H double bond CHOH. That is the intermediate product. The name of this intermediate product is vinyl alcohol. Now this vinyl alcohol undergo tautomerization or rearrangement. In this step, this hydrogen atom is transferred toward the carbon and this double bond is transferred toward the oxygen. Therefore, we get CH3 C double bond OH, that is acetaldehyde is obtained. In this method, what happened? This acetylene is react with water in the presence of 40% H2SO4 and 1% HgSO4. Intermediate product is obtained which undergo tautomerization or rearrangement. Hydrogen atom from hydroxyl group is transferred to the carbon and double bond is transferred to the oxygen, and we get acetaldehyde. Now, if we want to prepare ketone, from alkyne, we take propyne. When this propyne is react with water molecule, in the presence of 40% H2SO4 and 1% HgSO4, addition takes place. Now propyne is an unsymmetrical alkyne. Therefore, the addition takes place according to the Markovnikov rule. This OH negative, this negative part is attached to that carbon which contains less number of hydrogen atom, and hydrogen is attached to that carbon which contains more number of hydrogen atom or large number of hydrogen atom. After the addition, here MR addition takes place. After the addition, there is a formation of intermediate compound, that is CH3 COH double bond CH2, that is allyl alcohol is obtained. Which undergo tautomerization or rearrangement. The hydrogen atom from the hydroxyl group is transferred to the carbon atom, and this double bond is transferred to the oxygen atom, So therefore, there is a formation of, after the tautomerization, there is a formation of CH3 C double bond O CH3, that is acetone is obtained. Now we prepared acetone from propyne, and in the previous reaction we prepared acetaldehyde from acetylene by hydration reaction. Thank you.